If you're using Wix CMS for your website data and your source of truth is something like Google Sheet or Airtable, keeping the data in sync can be painful if you're not using the right product. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Byteline Sync to keep your Wix CMS data always fresh. So I have this live sync running in Byteline, which keeps on running in the background. So it doesn't matter whether you are whether you're logged in or not. And my properties data is in this Google Sheet, and it's right now it's in sync with the Wix CMS. So now if I insert a new property here, so that will be automatically synced to the Wix CMS. Okay, so here I have added this new property over here. And now let's give it few minutes for it to sync because it's using Google Sheet, which runs by polling. So it runs polling every 5 minutes. So your data will be synced, will be picked up within that time duration. And if you're manually work, if you are already logged in into the into Byteline Sync, so you can also click on this option to check for any data changes. Okay, so here we got our listing, as you can see from the records here. And now I'll go to the Wix CMS and let me just refresh. Here is our new listing with all the details. Actually, not this one, the first one. So this is our listing, and it has the image and all of the fields are populated. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how you can create this sync. So let me just go here. I will stop the sync and let's create a new sync so that I can show you from get-go. Okay, so so this is the sync dashboard. So you click on create sync, and I'm gonna pick Google Sheet as the first app and Wix CMS as the second app. Let's continue. On this screen will show all the spreadsheets and the collections that you have in the Wix CMS, and you can just map the one that you need. So we'll just do a sync between this, and let me just delete the rest of them. This is by default a two-way sync, but if you want to go one way, you can also use this buttons. This is our field mapping screen. So here you can specify like what field maps to what field on both apps. I'm just gonna keep the default settings. And for historical, so this screen is for the historical sync. Historical sync only goes one way. So in this case, we're gonna pick to take data from Google Sheet to Wix CMS. Let's continue. So at this point, it's going to run the preview. It's going to fetch the data from both apps and show you the differences. And it just informs you what will happen when you start the sync. So startup of the sync has two phases. So one is the historical sync where we update all the existing data to make it in sync, and then the sync keeps on running in the background, and as the changes are made, those changes are sent to the other app. So let's start the sync. So it's now syncing the historical data. So historical data is now in sync and is making the sync live. Okay, so so now our sync is live. So now after that, let's say if I change any value here, so let's make this 800K. So this data will automatically be sent to Wix CMS. Okay, let's wait for the sync to happen. Okay, so this is our change. So it's already updated. And if I refresh this, this price is updated. And and by the way, this is a two-way sync. So if you make change on the Wix CMS, so that change will also go to Google Sheets. So that's it for the video, and we offer a 2 weeks free trial. So sign up and try it out for your sync. Thank you.